So I'm going to show you how to fix file permissions on the server. So what happens is you'll have everything right and everything will be in the right spot, but the file won't show. So either you'll go to an HTML page, or more frequently you'll go to an images folder that's on there, and the image won't won't show up. And so first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the symptom and what you'll see if I go to that. So let's see here. Let's see. This is perfect. This is learning for live. Let's see if am I on here. I am not. Well, maybe I am. Nope, that's all right. We'll just go up here and we'll say. Okay, so this isn't it. Well, let's see here. Let's just do this. L/index.html. Okay, so there's nothing in there. I don't actually have a file in here. But what you'll see is you can look at this code. Either you'll get a 403 forbidden, or you'll get an image that's just missing, flat missing. And so what you can do is view the source. And so what I did here was just right-click on this and say View Page Source. And you'll see the link to the image. And if you click on that link to the image, it'll come up and say 403 forbidden. So whatever that image is or whatever that link is, so it's not what you normally will get if the link is bad or the file's not there, is you'll click on it, that link, and it will say 404 file not found. Well, 403 forbidden is something else, right? It's a permissions problem. So that's kind of the indicator that we're going to fix the problem. So what we do is hop over to FileZilla. And what you can do is you can do a whole group of folder files, or you can do like a whole folder of files, and that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to actually click on that and right-click on it. I'm going to go to File Permissions. And 755 is fine, is what you want, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to say recursive, and I'm going to apply this to all files and directories. And I'll tell you a trick, is you could do this all the way up to public. Now, if you do this wrong, you'll break the entire site. No pressure, right? So I'm gonna select the folder. I'm gonna right-click on it, and I'm gonna say File Permissions. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say it's gonna be 755, and it's gonna be recursive to all subdirectories. And there you go. And it's gonna take a minute because it's gonna change the file permissions on every file in your entire website. Like I said, you can totally break your site by doing this. So if you set it to the wrong number, so try to just work on the files that you care about. I mean, or that are being affected. I did it for the entire site. Like I said, you can do it. It's a little risky. So hopefully, if I go back here, everything's cool. Yeah, it didn't say forbidden. It's just there's just no HTML there on that. It's also there, but there we go. So that should do it. That'll fix your file permissions. So it's rare, but I'm seeing it happen more.